everybody, this is Sherry and from SHAREBEARCOTTAGE. Welcome. I'm going to show you what I'm working on. This is I'm getting ready to do a altered book. This is the book. You can see it's not very deep, and I've already taken out my pages. Now, I take out between 6 and 8, maybe 2. It depends on, what I'm looking for, in a book. I've got some things printed out for here, and I've got, this one's going to be an autumn book, and I've got the back printed out, but I just wanted to go through and show you what I've done so far. I saved some of these pages. These were going to be, let me change this page. These are going to be just pockets. Now this one is it could probably go on this kind of side like this. I'm going to put napkins on them or something over them. And this one, is just a regular pocket. And then this one here is also just a regular pocket, but kind of torn on the edges. So put those aside. Now the first 2 pages, I glued them together just for stability. I didn't like the way that this book had such a wide space here. I probably put some glue in here also. And so we'll just flip through this. I hope you'll like this. And, so I have 2, 3. I went 3 or 4 pages there. And then I tore 3, 4, and then 5 pages. And I tore out a few here. I probably tore out about 6. Now, what I've done here is folded this over like that. And this page, I also folded over. So it'll be on this side like this. And it'll be a 2-pocket page. Continuing on, we'll go 1. And then here, I have folded down. So this will be attached to this page. And we'll have a nice big pocket there. Okay. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and here I have torn some. So this one I have made a double spread. So this one will be down here, and this side will be down here, and it'll be all decorated with pretty paper. Each side will also have a pocket on the bottom. Okay, then another page, and I wanted a little tuck on this side. Okay, there we go, some more. This book had only like 270 pages in it, which is, I think a really nice size for this type of book. My Reader's Digest, they usually have, let's see, is this one at the top? Yeah, this one's at the top. Let me mark that while I'm here. We'll just put a check mark where we're going to put the whole. Now this is a top pocket, and it'll be the whole page top pocket. And a few more pages. This one here, it's not in a place where I pulled any pages out. It's just a random spot. And I have cut it in half and then cut a sliver. I need something a different color. Well, here's this. Cut a sliver out, as you can see there, of this. It's probably one whole sentence, of the book. And then each one will be its own pocket. Now, I don't know if I'm going to put the pocket here or the pocket there. So, haven't decided. And then there's a pocket on the bottom, too. Okay. Next on, keep moving on. Nothing taken out there and there. This one will be a side pocket. This side pocket will be the whole pocket. So, oops. So we'll just have one like thumb hole right there. And I go through these books so many times before I even put them together. So this one will have the double page spread, and you know, they'll look like this. They'll be glued down, and they'll have a pocket on the bottom. Okay. Then a couple pages later, I'm going to have another one of these double pockets like this. Okay, keep going. This one here looks like it's either a top, yeah, it's a top pocket. So we'll make a mark. Okay, make a little mark there. That's where the thumb hole's going to go. And we'll just keep going. Okay, now this one has the tear outs in the center here. I don't know. Looks like I might have torn out about 5 or 6 or something like that. But this will have the double pockets going this way. So that one I folded in half. This one I folded just a little bit, and it will be glued to this page. All right, we'll keep going here. This one I tore the page. I'm not concerned. Paper's going over that. And then this one will be a pocket on the side. We will make a mark here and continue. Now, as I was going through these, I did have some pages that I didn't, like where they were torn out. So I tore out more. But, that's totally, up to you. As you make more of these, if you make these, this was a side pocket, just in case you wanted to know. You can choose, where you want. It doesn't have to be, count 6, tear out 8, count 6, tear out 8, or whatever. It doesn't have to be that. In fact, I've made these before when I've only taken 2 pages out. I count, 3 or 4 pages, and I take 2 pages out because the books were smaller. It all depends on you, what you want, what kind of look you're looking for, and how big your book is. And then this is the back page, and then I have paper for this. So I just wanted to go through that with you before I even began the process of starting to put pages in. This book was a really good book. A friend of mine gave it to me, and I can't wait to get started on it, and get some pages in there. So I think it's going to turn out great. It's going to be in a fall or autumn kind of book, and I just want to bring that to you. Okay, guys, I'll see you soon. Bye-bye. Oh, remember, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you will, and check the little bell. The little bell will let you know when I'm uploading again. Okay, bye-bye.